Hello and welcome to another exciting episode from Tank Studio. As you were aware that in the previous episode we studied merge queries. That was the part 1 of merge queries. Now we are about to have the part 2 and the final part of merge queries where we will be merging more than 2-3 tables together. So there is a different way of doing it. As you are already aware what the merge query is all about. So let's jump directly to the data tab. Here you see there's an already merged column. We don't need that, just delete it. So what we have here, we have two other tables, table number 6 and table number 7. What is in table number 6? It has the warehouse where the product 1 is, where the product 2 is, where the product 3 is, and where the product 4 is. And what is the table 7? It's about the salesperson who is about to sell what product. So we need to merge these also like the ones we did in the previous table. So it is very simple. I have already merged it here. So what we did, let's delete. Let's go back to one step. Okay. So here merge table will be merged with another table. What did I say? Merged table will be merged with the next table and so on and so forth. So this was the one we worked on. Now we want to merge this with the warehouse. So the steps would be new query. I make sure that ID table exists everywhere. ID, left outer join. Here you go. Now we need to expand it. No need for ID. Here's the warehouse. So it becomes merge query number 2. Now we also would like to merge the salesperson in front of it. So what we will do? Again, we will make the base query as merge 2. Go to merge as new query. Select this, the table number 7, match it up. Here you go. Again, we want to expand the table without the ID sign. So this is how it looks like now. Let me close and load. ID, product name, cost price, sale price, profit, warehouse, salesperson. Everything matched and everything is in one table. How many tables we merged? 4 tables. We'll be back soon with another exciting video. Keep on liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.